Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Flower Fara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 24 June from around the world. Ramdev's Patanjali asked for details of COVID drug claimed by government. Yoga teacher Ramdev's Patanjali Ayurved has been asked by the government to furnish details of Ayurvedic medicines it launched yesterday, claiming they can cure coronavirus within 7 days. The company has also been ordered to stop advertising or publishing such claims until they have been examined. The medicines Coronil and Swasri were developed based on research and trials on 280 patients across the country. Patanjali's founder Ramdev told the media, the medicines come in a corona kit priced of Rs 545, which was to be sold across India within a week. India reduces Pak High Commission staff by 50%. India will reduce staff strength in the Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi by 50% and recall a similar number of officials from its commission in Islamabad. The External Affairs Ministry said Tuesday, amid an ongoing diplomatic row between the two nations. The reduction is to be implemented within 7 days, the ministry added. The ministry said Pakistan's charge affairs had been summoned this morning and was told that India had repeatedly expressed concerns about Pakistani officials in acts of espionage and maintaining dealings with terrorist organizations. India responds after US action against Air India repatriation flights. After the US announced restrictions on Air India's special repatriation flights alleging unfair and discriminatory practices, the government said yesterday it is examining requests by America and other countries to operate these flights. The Civil Aviation Ministry said it is exploring bilateral arrangements with countries to bring back Indians stranded in various countries because of the coronavirus pandemic. The US Transportation Department said on Monday that Air India's charters go beyond true repatriations, and it appears that Air India may be using repatriation charters as a way of circumventing flight restrictions. US visa curbs may bring multiple benefits for Indians, government sources. The suspension of fresh non-immigrant visas by the US is expected to benefit the 3 lakh visa holders from India currently residing in the US. Sources amid concerns over the Donald Trump government's move yesterday to stop new workers from entering the country till the end of this year. The category includes H-1B, H-2B, L-1A, L-1B, J-1 visas and people seeking entry on those visas into the US for the first time between June 24 and December 31 won't be allowed, the US announced day before yesterday. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.